Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Pennsylvania in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual step-by-step process to get your LLC in Pennsylvania up and running fast. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating Pennsylvania's Department of State website, filing paperwork, writing operating agreements, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually building your business. Now, I tried the DIY route once in Pennsylvania. Big mistake. Between understanding Pennsylvania's specific requirements, the $125 filing fee, finding a proper registered agent with a Pennsylvania address, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So, yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start a Pennsylvania LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in Pennsylvania. Second, get a registered agent with a Pennsylvania street address. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your certificate of organization with Pennsylvania's Department of State. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. Fifth, consider getting a Pennsylvania business license if needed. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now, this sounds simple, but Pennsylvania has its own quirks. The state requires decennial filings, has specific naming requirements, and the processing times can vary. One mistake can delay everything by weeks. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Pennsylvania registered agent, filing with the state, EIN, operating agreement, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know Pennsylvania's specific requirements and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Pennsylvania's state filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and Pennsylvania expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description, get your Pennsylvania LLC formed properly, and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.